Alright, so this is the before for my computer. As you can see, it's kind of ugly and boring, so I'm going to show you how to make it more aesthetically pleasing and productive. Alright, the first thing I'll be showing you how to do is how to hide your dock. So you're going to want to open System Preferences and go ahead and click on Dock. From Dock, you're going to want to go ahead and select Automatically Hide and Show the Dock. Okay, so now the dock will only pop up when you mouse near it, and when you mouse away from it, it'll hide itself again. This gives the desktop overall a much cleaner look. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to make your own background collage thing, because this is pretty boring and dull. I haven't changed it yet, and it's pretty easy to make your own. Alright, to make your own background, you're going to need to open Pinterest or whatever website you'd like to find some cute photos, and Google Slides. One, and then you're going to want to delete both of the text boxes. I'm using Pinterest, but you can use whatever. You're just going to want to search something that you like, find a photo you think is cute, click it, copy it, and then paste it into the Google Slides, resize it, crop it, and place it where you would like. Okay, I'm going to show you a quick little trick for if you find a photo that you really like, but the color or whatever doesn't really match the aesthetic or vibe that you want for your background. I really liked the gray stars that you can see in this, but I wanted it to be bigger, and I found some purple stars that were bigger. I ended up just playing with the color on those. So what you can do is click on Format Options on the side, as you can see, and then go to Recolor, and it'll have a bunch of different options of different colors you can make it. As you can see, there's like a blue, a yellow, a black, and different grays. Another thing I really like about using Google Slides is that you can right click and click order and choose to bring something in front of something else or to send it to the back of another photo. This makes it really easy and really nice to layer. Something I think that's great about using Google Slides is that if you ever want to change something, like you want to get rid of the graduation cap, you change the college you want to go to, you can just go back into Google Slides, delete that, replace it, whatever, and then redo the process. Once you're all done with your collage, you're going to want to go into present mode, and then you're going to take a screenshot of it once it's in full screen. But as you can see, the top and the bottom have a black border, and I wanted to have a white border, so I went ahead and I went into Canva and I created my own design, and I put in the dimensions of my computer screen. Then I just plopped the screenshot in and realigned it. Then you're going to want to take your image and drag it onto your desktop and right click and then go to the very bottom and it'll say Set Desktop Picture. And there you have your cute custom background. To get this cute screensaver, just go to flicklo.com, and then it's going to take you to a screen where you click and then scroll down and click Download for Mac and then wait for it to install. Then once it's finished downloading, you're just going to want to click on it and wait for it to process. Then once it's done, all you have to do is go ahead and double click on the little Flicklo icon, and it'll give you an option to install it on the screensaver page. But it didn't give me that option because mine was already installed. This next thing you can jump into from the screensaver page. It's in the bottom corner. It says Hot Corners, and this is really cool. It allows you, when you mouse over to one of the corners of your MacBook screen, it'll open something for you. This, you're just going to want to click on Hot Corners, and it'll give you a little drop down menu that correlates to each corner of your screen, and you can just select where you want to go when you mouse over to that corner. So for instance, my bottom left corner is Launchpad and my top right corner is Screensaver. And so now when I mouse over to the bottom left corner, it immediately takes me to Launchpad. And when I mouse over to the top right corner, it takes me right to my Screensaver. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.